Hi, I'm Amanda Dotson, and I'm going to show you how to make a orb icon to go on your website. First, you want to open up your Photoshop. Go to File, New. You'll want it 640 by 480 pixels to start out with. And on your background, since it's always locked, you're going to right-click, Layer from Background, click OK. Now make a new layer. We're going to go to your elliptical marquee tool. You want the circle one, and we're just going to make a circle to fill up the white. And then you're going to your paint bucket to fill it up. I'm going with blue. As soon as you got all that done, you're going to go down to your FX part. You're going to a inner glow. Now on the inner glow, we're going to change it to a lighter blue. Now these, you can do it however you want. I'm just doing a blue. We're going to have the choke set at 22, size set at 21. You can see it started to do a outline around there. Now we're going to our gradient overlay, and we're going to click the blue one, and we want a little less white. So we're going to bring it up a little, just like that. Click OK. Then we want our stroke, which we want blue also. So find the blue you want. We're going to set that to a 1, and we want it on the inside, just like that. Now that looks good to start out, and we're not done yet, so make a new layer, get your circle, and make another circle. Bring the top up to the top white part right there, and that looks about good. So this one, we're going to fill it with white, just like that. And we're going to our gradient overlay, and we want it blue, just like that. Click OK, and we're going to reverse it to where the white's at the top, and I think that looks good. Now take this and just duplicate the layer by dragging it to the bottom. Hit your arrow key over here at the very top. Now hold your shift button and make it a little smaller than your other one. I would say probably right there. Now I forgot to tell you to make the opacity to 50. So go ahead and click on your first layer and click 50. Take your second layer, click 50. Then we're going to duplicate it again. We're going to do this a total of 3 times. Oops, I didn't duplicate it. I just drug it to the very bottom. Now this one, we're going to resize it also. Except this one I'm going to make a little longer. Just like that. Then I'm going to take my 2 bottom layers. I'm going to merge them together. Bring the opacity back down. Say 54. Take your first one. Set your opacity. I'm going to leave it at, say, 36. So now you're going to merge all 3 of those together. Then I'm going to my filter, my blur, my Gaussian blur. I'm just going to blur it just a little. So I'm going to say 1.1. That looks good. Now that is your orb. Now you want to make a new layer. Go over here where your pen tool, and up on your pen tool you'll have your shapes, and we're going to pick the male shape because we're going to do it for a male icon. Let's go to black. Now you just want to click and drag and you'll see the envelope forming. So have it be as big as you want and it'll automatically fill up. Then move it. Now you can save it just like this if you want for your icon, or you can go and play with your gradients and everything else. So let's go look at the gradients we have. How about we not do a gradient? Let's do a inner glow. We want blues on there. Let's change it to 22 and 5 because I'm gonna leave it black, but I'm just changing some things. Go to your gradient and play with that until you like it. Let's add an inside stoke on there. About that. And then if you want to merge all three of your layers, just click your top one, hold your shift key, click your bottom one, right click, merge layers. And that's ready to be used as an icon to see what it looks like on a black background. That's what it would look like. Now whenever you save it, you want to unclick your background to where it's not there and it's transparent. So then you click your top one and then be sure to always save it as a PNG. That way you will have a transparent background. And that's how you make your icons to go on your page. And you can have a mail icon, a Facebook icon, MySpace icon, and it's your own custom icon. Thank you for watching.